Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got kind of a cool fixed blade unboxing from our friends at DLT Trading Company. Something that I just happened to be browsing, saw, looked interesting, was from a maker I'd never experienced before. So it just seemed like I'm a knife addict. What can I say? But anyway, before I get started, I do want to give a shout out and a thank you to all the channel members. Thank you more than you know. I appreciate you all. And any of you guys who are coming through to watch my knife and EDC content, thank you for giving me the time to check out my content. If you like it and you're so inclined, it would really help me out if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. I'd really appreciate it. So, DLT Trading Company. We are going to take my Amazon titanium razor knife and see what's the best way to get into this box without cutting my finger off. And that is the easiest way. So, let's see what we got in here. DLT Trading Co. sticker. Crash. Another DLT or a Bark River Knives. Spoiler alert. And my first Bark River knife. So, as you guys may or may not know, if you're new to the channel, I've got an issue with knives. I have a problem with knives. I have a problem with fixed blades. And I have a problem with EDC fixed blades, smaller fixed blades, to kind of enhance my regular carry with my folder. I don't know why, but this is a cool little knife. This is the Micro Canadian by Bark River Knives. I've picked out the black canvas with the toxic green liner. I want to say it's in 3V. So let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a little knife. Looks like we got a Bark River card. And a little sheath. I look at this sheath, for me, as a pocket dropper. It does appear that, let's see, keep that in there, pop that down there. Nice little sheath, simple little sheath. It does have a belt loop if you wanted to wear it on your belt, which I guess you could. It looks like it's also got a couple of points if you wanted to add a ulti clip, a couple of eyelets there. I will carry it simply as a pocket dropper. And then here it says connect with us live on Facebook, facebook.com, Bark River Knives. Not that into Facebook, but I do think I follow them on IG. I'm not sure. There ain't no telling. I am very familiar with Bark River Knives, and it is a brand that I have not experienced before, or a knife maker that I have not experienced before. And my understanding is these are USA made in Escanaba. I know we have Escanaba County here, but in Michigan. These are made in the state of Michigan. And yeah, this is the 3V Canadian Skinner. And guys, do not put in dishwasher. Duh. I am absolutely flipping out over the size of this knife. I can see knives when I go and look at dimensions and, look at this, that, and the other. But I really don't get the entire jam or feel until I see it, right? So this little knife is very, very small. Just by comparison, that's what I did, is went and grabbed a couple other small knives. My Boker BFF. This is chickadee size, guys. but it's got a very unique blade. It's got this very unique shape. And to me, it just kind of piqued my interest, I guess you'd say. It looked like a great package opener. Looked like a great EDC pocket dropping type of carry. That was me hitting the choil, or not the choil, this thing is super, super sharp. I mean, wow. And this is not a review, this is just an unboxing. But guys, this little Canadian 3V blade is freaking sharp. And I dig it. I mean, I like the look. I love this thick, this is a fire striking. I mean, the angle on this spine is so freaking sharp. This thing will strike a ferro rod like nobody's business. I mean, a little enhancement to your EDC. I'm assuming this thing, let's see what my sheath retention is like. How I can get it in there even. This thing's gonna have to be worked around it. But yeah, I'm thinking this little guy will go in here like so, and I will drop that in my pocket, and I will be good to go. So I can actually get it down even lower. But I want you to check this one out, because this knife's still available in a whole... I don't have any affiliation with DLT, guys. I don't have a link there, unfortunately. I can't save you any cash. I don't have an affiliate link, but I can show you where a cool knife is. Now, this is the Canvas Micarta Black with the green G10 liner. Now, you can get this knife in all kinds of different handle materials. I mean, this knife ranges hundreds of dollars on some of the more premium antique type handles. But the basic construction is going to be your 3V Bark River Canadian little blade. And I don't know the micro Canadian, if it's a Skinner. I'm thinking it might be some kind of Skinner blade. Hard to tell for me, but it is pin construction, has a nice lanyard tube here. Just a beautiful, beautiful little knife. Again, I have never experienced Bark River before, something that's brand new to me, but I'm really interested in checking it out, and seeing a knife this small always gets my kind of, I guess, attention. And this little guy, I'm putting it in my pocket right now. So I'm looking forward to see how this little guy performs, how I use it. And again, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll do a full review on it. I want to let that sheath hold. I'm going to stick it in my back pocket. I think that's the best way to carry this one. I've got my FocusWorks F2 in my left pocket. And I've got my, of course, Evo that hadn't come out of my pocket since I got it in my right pocket. And I think this little guy will go in my back pocket. And then it'll form, I'll let it form around that sheath. But yeah, guys, the Bark River Micro Canadian, they're in stock. Bunch of different variations. In 3V, I chose the Black Micarta with the toxic green G10 liners just because I thought it was kind of cool. But I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch my unboxing as I journey down this rabbit hole of crazy knifedness. But I appreciate each and every one of you. I will show you guys, like I always do, where I got it, where it came from, and I will link this knife, which is sold out in this configuration, but there are 20 other ones that are without the green liner, with the red liner. They're just, you know, each one's different. So browse around if you like them. Let me know what you think. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I ever ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Yippee-yi-yay, knife lovers. Peace.